Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Today I'm showing the newest kit from Pink & Main. This is their June 2021 kit. The theme is Vitamin C, as in the ocean. So this is so fun. It always includes the little postcard, and you could use that as a card, but on the back side it has a list of everything that's included and also the color palette. As I'm recording this voiceover, the kit is still available. I will have links provided in the description box below. So we'll start off with the cardstock. There's 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11 ice rink white cardstock, and this is 110 pounds. There's a full sheet of their glitter paper, beautiful blue color. The rest of the cardstock is made by Basil. So you have this beautiful green, a teal, this soft orange. The last 2 have a pre-embossed polka dot all over them. So there's a lovely teal and also this light tan color. Pink & Main's kits always include a full 6x6 paper pad. So this has 24 sheets of double-sided papers. There's 2 of each design. And I'll flip through these really quickly. There's several patterns with shells all over them. There's some polka dots. Here's a couple with some border cut aparts. There's some more of those polka dots. Here's some fish. Lots of different wave designs. So those are really fun. There's one in a softer orange color. There's some more with the waves and all the little shells and starfish. These are fun. They have the waves just in the corners. There's a sheet with diagonal stripes, flamingos. There's a plaid design, and I believe that's the only one included this time. Usually Pink & Main has several plaids. So more polka dots, more waves, and more of the shells, just in different colors. There's some seahorses, those are really sweet. And the final pattern has the sentiment, Hello Sunshine, all over it in different colors. So you could cut that apart and add it to your card. The stamp set this month is called Vitamin C. There's 4 different sentiments: good vibes only, hello sunshine, nothing a dose of vitamin C can't fix, and I sure do miss you. There are also lots of images that don't require coloring. You could use colored inks, you could do embossing with them, so many different options. There is a die set included. This does not coordinate with the stamp sets. These are all standalone dies. So there's 6 different images and also the Hello Sunshine sentiment. Here's the stencil that's included this month. You could easily create a fun little ocean scene, or you could use those circles, add some ink, and then put an image in front of it. I think those will be fun to use. I know it's a little hard to see on the video, so I'm going to add a piece of black cardstock so those really pop out. I don't use stencils very often, but I think this will be a fun set to use. Up next is the 6x6 embossing folder. This is called Catch a Wave. Isn't that a fun pattern? I really love that Pink & Main is including so many staples. So it's not all things you'll use up right away, like the paper and bling. This is stuff you'll be able to keep in your craft room for a very long time. Next we have the glitter enamel dots. I always enjoy these. They're so sparkly and the colors match perfectly with the paper collection. Next we have the exclusive sequin mix. This one's really fun. It has some shells, lots of blues, there's a light green, and some whites. And every month Pink & Main includes a collectible flare button. So yours may be different. I received the little starfish. I was trying to place that button down where I wasn't getting the light reflecting on it, but I didn't win on that one. So every month you'll also get the 8.5 by 11 inch mesh project bag. And these are really nice, very sturdy. You can just keep all of your items from the kit inside there until you're ready to use them. And that's everything that's included in Pink & Main's June 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit. The theme is Vitamin C. If you are interested in purchasing the kit or signing up to subscribe, I do have a link provided in the description box below. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. And coming soon, I will be sharing my cards using this fun kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.